Alright, finally, at long last, we're finally gonna draw Zamasu from Dragon Ball Super. And also, this is the same Kai from Trunks' Future. Zamasu was once a Supreme Kai from Universe 10. Basically, he was an apprentice and a Supreme Kai in training. He was next in line to become the next god. Well, the next Supreme Kai. Basically, he spent years limiting mortals, but he had no will to act. Eventually, he found out about the Super Dragon Balls. And when he found out that a mortal was wielding divine energy, it made him snap. Made him feel sick to his stomach. He knew he had to do something about it. He knows about the lineups between how mortals function. They live, they grow, they fall, they perish, all in an endless loop. He had plans to put an end to their hopeless cycles. But when he found out that a mortal had divine God's energy, that made him snap and made him sick. Eventually, when he found out about the Super Dragon Balls, he headed off to the one who knows all. And, well, when he found out about it, he was going to use the time ring to clearly turn himself into an invincible god with an invincible body. An undamageable body. And sooner or later, we soon found out, well, what we all thought, that Goku Black was a copy of the original Saiyan. Well, basically, the two of them joined forces to bring forth their Zero Mortal plan. Now let's get started. you can understand why this is Zamasu from the future Trunks is from it. You know, the earring that he has is green. And finished. That's how you draw a Zamasu from that alternate future. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And please enjoy what character I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. This one's for you, Zamasu. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Eventually, after the Tournament of Power, Zamasu is revived and renewed. I'm sure he'll live a good life.